Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this very sleek bob. I posted a picture on Instagram with the same exact look. I had my hands in my hair just like this, and you guys absolutely loved it and wanted a tutorial. And I'm like, you know, it's just like a sleek, I just straightened my hair. Like, I don't ever think to film something that easy, but I guess there are some tips and tricks that I do use that could be helpful to you guys. So I also am using a new flat iron today. This is Croc's new line of flat iron. You can buy this exclusively at Ulta, and this retails for $80. So if you were looking for a cheaper option of a flat iron but still does a great job, I highly recommend this one at Ulta, and I will put that in the link below. Unfortunately, I don't have a coupon code because it is Ulta. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before I get started, we're gonna put some heat protectant in my hair. Really like this one from Croc. It's very lightweight, and this is the Multi-Flex. All right, and then we're gonna add some Palmolive Super Skinny Serum, like usual, just 1 or 2 pumps. Focusing that on the ends, and then I just kind of brush the excess on top. So let's get to blow drying, and yeah. So this is the Crystalline blow dryer. It's absolutely beautiful. It has like pearlescent colors on it. So if you're into really pretty things, this is great. It has like rose gold trimming and all that stuff, and it's infrared as well for heat. We gave away 5 of these last month on Instagram, and yeah, so this is available in all of the Ulta stores, and it is a lot cheaper than the stuff that they sell on their website. So I'm going to be using this today. All right, here we go for the last section. Okay, so on this section, I'm gonna focus this little blower thing. You can turn this nozzle, and I'm gonna focus on really smoothing everything out on top. So I want it really smooth, and then I'm gonna flip my head upside down and do it on the cool setting. Because of the cool setting, it's gonna stay like wanting to have volume. See that volume that it like just created? I really like that in the front. So the cool setting is what I do to kind of create that. All right, so this is their new Crystalline flat iron, just as beautiful, beautiful rose gold. This is the infrared as well, so you're gonna get really, really high frequency of heat, so you can use lower temperatures. So for me, I like to use around 320. That is what I'm going to do today. 320, and then the infrared is on, and you can see, can you see those little lights? It's that little red strip in there. We're gonna start at the bottom section, and I'm just gonna flat iron everything and then kind of have it bend towards my neck just a little bit. So I know a lot of you guys were curious about cheaper options of flat irons. Because the flat iron that I usually use, this one is $210. It's very, very high quality, very professional, and I absolutely love it. Now, they are so gracious and give me discounts year round. That's Chloe 30. So if you did want to pick up this one, you could, but this one is at Ulta, so I cannot have a discount code for Ulta on this one, but if they are running sales and this one is a part of, you know, getting a discount, then you can get a discount on there. But I think $79 for a flat iron still is a great deal. So after this flat iron has been acclimated, you should have a really smooth glide through the hair. I had issues at first, and I was like, wait a second, why is it skipping on my hair? I had talked to Croc, and they said, no, you need to let it acclimate. So heat it up to 400 degrees, and then you won't have that issue anymore, because now my hair is gliding through like butter. So I'm super happy with that. All right, super sleek and smooth. I am loving this finish. last section. So what I'm going to do here is, you guys have probably seen me do this. I love doing this to my hair all the time now, and that just, it gives it volume in the front. So I'm gonna take just this first section, push it through, and we are just going to straighten everything forward, just like that. Next section, do the same thing. There we go. And we're just gonna let those cool just like that. And then we'll do one more section of flat ironing towards the front. Okay, and that just allows the hair to kind of move forward and be more in your face. Now when it's towards this, like, do you see that? I just love that. When it's towards the side, you know, you can do whatever you want, but let's flat iron these ends to get them really straight and sleek. And then for these back pieces, if you struggle with teas, this is what you should do. Do really thin pieces. I would take your teasing brush and start brushing the hair towards the scalp and make sure that it's really, really flat towards the scalp. If you need to, brush up more and then push it all the way down. And then take your flat iron and just plop really quick. That way it holds the hair in, like, it keeps it in that crimp. And then you have like tease forever. I'm not gonna do that for my whole head because my hair holds a tease pretty well, but if you are struggling with tease, that is a trick you can do. So I'm gonna tease about maybe 4 sections down. And then every time I do this, I'll add hairspray. So I'll use Big Sexy hairspray, or I'll use back comb in a bottle. Either or will work just fine. So spray just a little bit, back comb down right to the scalp, and then push forward. Just like that. We'll maybe do one or two more sections towards the back, and then we'll move towards the sides. There we go. And we will tease diagonally from the sides. Making sure that everything is teased right to the root. If you feel like you want to mesh everything together, just kind of run your hands through like this so there's no like holes or anything like that. So now I'll add just a little bit of texture spray just to the front of my hair to add a little bit of separation right in there. And then in my picture, I kind of did this so it looks bigger than it is. And then like I had my hair, like my hands and my hair like this. See, it's the same. So just teased in the back. Oh, I just love it. All right, and there we go. That is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Just a simple, sleek, blunt bob. Makes me feel so fancy and happy. So yeah, if you recreate this look at home, please tag me in your stories on Instagram. I love watching you guys recreate everything. It's just so fun to interact. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.